Now, when it comes to finding the HCF using the prime factorization method, first things first, you need to know how to express each of the numbers as a product of their prime factors. Even in the exam, they may ask you to express 32 as a product of its prime factors. And they can even ask you to work out any number as a product of its prime factors. So for instance, you start with the least possible prime number. I think by now you know what a prime number is. If we say 2, that's the least possible prime number that can get into 32. So you're going to say 2 into 32, you will get 16. Then 2 into 16, you will get 8. 2 into 8, you will get 4. Then you try 2 again into 4, you will get 2. Then finally 2 into 2, you get 1. So the moment you get to 1, you would have come to the end of the list of those numbers. So 32 of expressing 32 as a prime factor. So you can now say 32 equal to, so you can see this chain 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So you can say 2 to the power 5, or you can say 32 equal to 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. So we'll work with this for at first. Then we go on to 48. Then you're going to say 48, 2 into 48, you will get 24. And then 2 into 24, you will get 12. Then 2 into 12, you will get 6. And then 2 into 6, you will get 3. We can no longer use 2, but now you can use 3, because 3 is also a prime number, the next prime number that comes after 2. So as a result, you've got 1, 2, 3, 4 chain of 2s there. So you're going to say 48 equal to 2 by 2 by 2 by 2 by 3. Now when it comes to finding the HCF, therefore, you are going to pair. You are going to look for the highest, you're going to look for pairs. In other words, you're saying you're going to pair this pair of 2 is going to be represented by what? By 2. Then this other pair of 2 here is also going to be represented by another 2. Then this pair of 2 here is also going to be represented by that. And then finally, we also have this pair of 2, which is going to be represented by 2. So as a result, take note that this pair of 2 has been represented by 2. This pair of 2 has been represented by another 2. Then this pair of 2 has been represented by that 2. And then finally, this pair of 2 has been represented by 2. Now, this 2 has no 2 number similar to it beneath to pair with it. The same applies with 3. So hence, as a result, you see that 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 will give you 16 as the highest common factor. So that's what happens there when you're looking for the highest common factor of those numbers. So I hope this has managed to reach home.